unbroken amidst the torment. The crowd, including women with eyes filled with reverence, bowed witness to the cruel ballet, a ruthless attempt to crush the indomitable spirit for those yearning for liberty. Higgins, the political agent of Manipur, assumed all roles as administrator and judge against all established norms of natural justice and sentenced him to death. On that fateful day, the unsung hero, Haipou Jadonnang, was hanged helplessly at the hands of the British.
Brothers and sisters, our beloved leader, Jadonnang, may have been taken from us, but his spirit lives on in each of our hearts.
But Guidanliu, they took away our hope. They silenced our voices.
No, they may have silenced his voice, but they cannot silence our dreams, our determination, and our unity. Look around you. Jadonnang did not lead us down this path to witness us crumble in the face of adversity. He taught us to rise. He believed in us, in our strength. We cannot let his sacrifice be in vain. We will rise, stronger and more united than ever before. As long as we stand united, no force can defeat us.
You are right, Guidanliu. We must honor Jadonnang's memory by continuing his work.
We will carry his legacy forward, rallying more hearts, awakening more souls for our cause. We shall show the world that the spirit of our people cannot be suppressed.
For Jadonnang, for our homeland, for Jadonnang, for our homeland, for Jadonnang, for Jadonnang,
for Jadonnang. Let us emerge from this darkness and lead our people towards the dawn of a new era. The British guns would turn into water. Let us remember the words he spoke. The strength of a tiger is in his unity with the jungle.